Well, hello, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Once again, I am not Hey Bartender, Gustavo Rojas. I'm his personal bar back, and he's not home, and I've been left unsupervised behind the bar. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make a bourbon passion fruit cocktail. Should we see how this goes? Let's do it. Okay, so it's been a while since I've seen you guys last time, and in the meantime, I've been looking for a recipe that, quite frankly, I couldn't mess up too bad, and that used bourbon because I love bourbon cocktails, and that also could transition nicely into the spring. So I think I came up with, or found a good one, I should say. I didn't come up with this, but it is bourbon, passion fruit, ginger beer, orange, and lemon with a little bit of basil. So I think it's gonna be pretty tasty. So we start off with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Then we want 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup. We're going to add 1 ounce of orange juice, and this is fresh squeezed. Got up at 4 in the morning to squeeze these oranges that I grew myself. Just kidding. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. This is also fresh squeezed because Gustavo always recommends fresh is best. So if you have to, you know, if you don't have it around, that's fine, but if you do, make sure it's fresh. Also, where's my basil? We're gonna do, now the recipe that I found, the basil was just a garnish, but I actually like basil in my drinks. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it Gustavo's slap to release the oil, add it in there, put some ice, and shake. Let's see how this goes. Okay, gonna get our glass, more ice. All right, let's go ahead and strain. Okay. Now, the recipe that I found also calls for ginger beer to top it off. I don't really like ginger beer that much. I know a lot of you out there do, so please go ahead and top that off with ginger beer. I'm not going to because I'm drinking this even though it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday. So the next step is just to garnish. I'm gonna take an orange wheel and a little sprig of basil. That's it. Oh, well, Gustavo doesn't usually do taste testings on here because he kind of knows what he's doing. I'm gonna go ahead and test this for you guys because I don't know what I'm doing, and we're gonna make sure it tastes good. So. It tastes good, guys. It tastes good. I'll bet you if you like ginger beer, it would be even better with that little punch of the ginger. In fact, let's just try it. I like living on the edge. Stir. What kind of bartender would I be if I didn't try these things out, right? Yeah, it's better. Go for the ginger beer. Anyway, guys, thank you for once again joining me on Amateur Hour here on Hey Bartender. And if you make the drink, if you like the drink, go ahead and comment down below and subscribe because you might see me again and you'll definitely see Gustavo twice a week.